Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on device. And here you should see your T-Rex 3 Pro. Now scroll through this page, find the Unpair button, tap on it, tap on Unpair. You can also, before we continue, you can also check the items to retain basically. So if you select, for example, box next to local music, it will keep the music that you had on your watch. And when you unpair it, because when you unpair the watch, it will basically reset to factory default settings. So you can keep some types of data to retain if you don't want to lose them from your watch. And once you're done, tap on Unpair. OK, Unpair. And the watch will disappear from the app. And it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once it's done, you will see the list of languages on the screen. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.